Question 8. Find the log with base -5 of 25. Now, based on the question 7, we know that the base cannot be 0, 1, or a negative number. So I don't have to do anything to solve this. All I gotta do is look at the base and say, hey, this is a negative number, so I already know that it's going to be undefined. Now let's look at if we did set this up, see where we would run into a problem. Since we're trying to find this log and I don't know what the number is, I'm going to set it equal to x. I'm going to change it to an exponent. So -5 raised to x is equal to 25. Okay, now if I divide that -1 over, so I got 5 raised to x is equal to -25. Okay, well now I run to the problem of it doesn't matter how many times I multiply 5 times itself, I'm never going to get a negative number. So this is no solution, or it is undefined because we cannot have a base with a negative number.